What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My bad on this one. I forgot to press play on the camera, so I already started sanding. I already got the mirrors done, the doors. I just need to do the handle because this I gotta do it by hand, so I'm not too worried about it. But this is all sanded down, ready to go to paint. All I gotta do is get the little crevices in here between the trims, or I might just take it all off so I could get it better, but who knows, we'll see. I might take these off to get under here better as well. But I got the fenders done. You guys know I got the bumper, passenger side fender, and the passenger side door. This one already took the trim off, so that one's already set, ready to go. This is already set, ready to go to paint as well. So I'm gonna start on the C-pillars and the quarter panel. I'll leave the roof and the ducktail and the trunk for last. So I'm gonna set you guys up real quick and start sanding. I mean, I already cleaned off the driver's side, so that's ready to go get sanded. So I'll set you guys up, we'll start sanding, and we'll finish it today. Alright guys, I just finished sanding. Everything's all set and ready to go. All I really need to do is go around the edges because I went too far down and touched bare metal. So I need to do that. I need to do this right here. And there's a small spot right here near the gas cap. So that's pretty much it. Everything else is sanded. And this right here, same as that. So I need to get a piece of sandpaper and just get the little crevices. Same thing as the window. Go around, just get the little crevices, clean that up. But other than that, we're pretty much done. Now I just need to go and clean the other side because it's really dusty. You guys can see that. That's nasty, dusty from all the time it's been sitting. Also, I'm gonna be fixing a little dent that's right here and one that's right here. So I got a tool for that, so I'll show you guys how to use it. But for now, I just really want to sand it, get it ready, and then tomorrow or Tuesday I'll make another video how to use the tool, and I'll put the link down in the description and we'll be set. But for now, let's get to cleaning the other side. As you guys just saw, we just finished sanding. I took the time off camera to start the primering the areas that touch the bare metal, like right here. But everything else I just gotta touch up, like this corner right here, because I forgot I didn't touch it completely and there's still some clear coat. But for the most part, this dent is ready to come out, and also this dent right here. So that'll be for next video. Also this side, I already got the primer down. So basically, passenger door, driver door, passenger quarter panel, driver quarter panel are done. Basically the whole car's almost done. I just gotta finish roof, duckbill, hatch, and rear bumper. So like I said, that'll probably be for next video with the dent repair. And yeah, but for now, this is gonna be it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your guys' day. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one.